Yikes, NIO stock is not looking that great. It was down over 3% on Friday. What is going on with NIO? It's been selling off ever since it hit 950. This was back last year. And nonstop, every single day it's been going down. Hit a low of 586 on Friday. It broke many supports, and this is the lowest it's been in 4 years. Can you believe that? In 4 years. And I thought this year we would turn around, but nope. Another bearish years for EV stocks like NIO and many other Chinese stocks. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news. It says NIO's down nearly 5%, on track for lowest close since June of 2020. I can't believe it. I knew not to get into a very volatile stock like NIO. Let's look at this. It says a deep dive into market sentiment. Financial giants have made a conspicuous bearish move on NIO. We found 33% traders were bullish, while 66% showed bearish tendencies. So just be very careful of that. And last week, we had a really terrible news. It says shares of U.S. listed Chinese stocks are trading lower after China missed GDP and retail sales estimates. I should have got out when it broke the $8 support, and especially when it broke the $7 support. I've said this before that if it broke $7, it would get very ugly, and it did. I'm hoping for a bounce, but like I said, just because a stock is oversold doesn't mean it's going to bounce. And let's go ahead and take a look at these options. Remember last week I was saying that people are buying the 7 strike calls, and then it was a 6.5 calls the following day, and then now for next week it's a 6 strike calls, 9,000 open interest. Well, people are expecting this stock to go to 7. There's 8,000 volume traded for that. And if we go to February 16th, we have 7 strike, a lot of volume there, and the 6 strike, a lot of volume. But the 7 strike has 29,000 open interest. Just because it has a huge open interest doesn't mean it's going to get there. I did a video on Alibaba, and last week, OPEX expiration had 95,000 for the 80 strike calls. Guess what? They all expired worthless. Everyone that bought those 80 strike calls, including myself, they became worthless. Zero. They became zero. It's pretty sad. You can see I have a lot of positions in NIO. They're all down. They're down a lot, actually, because I got into those positions when they were above $9. So I honestly thought that it would break and stay above $9. You see, there's a gap here, $9.59, that it would go to 10, but nope. And I thought there was a chance of it going to $16. But right now, there's so much negative news in China and these EV stocks that I don't see it happening. I'm just hoping that it gets to $9 again in the near future. But right now, it doesn't look that way. So just be very careful of that. Let me know your thoughts. And see, here's the news. Another bearish news. January 17th, it says NIO stock tanks toward a record high loss streak as Tesla price cuts way. So they're also affected by Tesla. Tesla goes down, NIO goes down. But if Tesla goes up, NIO doesn't really follow Tesla's price, only when it's going down. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So just let me know your thoughts. My options are pretty much at 80% loss. My spreads are 80 to 90% loss. So there's really not much I can do. Just hope that we'll see a reversal. But as of right now, it doesn't seem that way. Let me know your thoughts. Did you buy more NIO shares, or did you already get rid of this junk a long time ago? And thanks for watching.